Thinking about this YouTube channel. Me and Craig and the other makers that you will see soon, if you are following along with this, and you're going to see some cool stuff. We aren't professionals. This is not what we do for a living. This is just something we enjoy. And there are other channels out there, and they're amazing, and I watch a lot of them they make cooler stuff, they have bigger shops, and that's great. I don't, personally, there's no utility in that for me. They're wonderful to watch. They are. But I don't get anything. It's a wow, that's pretty cool. And that's kind of it. Again, that's great. But I don't figure anything out from those channels. With the gigantic wood shops and it's just a cool novelty. Cool, fine. So, me and Craig wanted to start something that was more, and this is why the name is Everyday Makers, that was more everyday guys, people, not necessarily just guys, everyday people making stuff that other everyday people can easily make in their everyday workshops. I will give you a tour of my shop at some point here. There's not much, you've pretty much seen it, but so we very, very, very much appreciate people watching this channel and supporting it and supporting what we do. There's a lot more cool stuff coming down the pipe, I promise you. I know some of it so far hasn't been, wouldn't call it boring, but it's not the most exciting content, but it's stuff that we think is pertinent and useful to everyday people. People that have limited time like me, or like Craig, and kids and families. You know, this project, it's something that you can make in a day, like I said before during this build, and it's something that you can take a week to do, several weeks, like I'm doing right now. Looking good, looking good. So that's just kind of a quick synopsis of the channel. I know Craig didn't ask me to do this. I didn't think I was going to. I was just upstairs doing dishes, and it just kind of occurred to me that, like, why would people want to watch this when there's way cooler stuff out there? And there is. There's, like, this is not, it's not that cool, but it's something most people can make, as opposed to some other stuff you see out there that's like, I can't make that. I don't have a joiner and a planer and a $10,000 table saw and, you know, and all that stuff. I have 3 big power tools down here and some hand tools. So I'm going to get off my high horse or low horse or whatever kind of horse it is that I'm saying this on, and just say thank you.